Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Sorry it's been a while since I posted the last video. It's actually been quite a while. Thank you so much for sticking around. We took a little break and when I say little, I mean it turned into a unexpectedly longer break. But we're back, yay! All right, so let's draw Ethan Clade from Strange World. All right, so let's start with the eyes. We're gonna do like an oval shape. Like that. And up top, we're gonna make the top a little bit thicker. Like that. And we'll do a little oval inside. And now we'll do a little circle here and a circle here kind of in the middle and color that one in all dark. Next, let's do an eyebrow. So we're gonna do a line up here, a little one right here, and then come on down and we'll color that in all dark as well. Next, let's do another eye. So same shape as before, we're gonna do that oval shape. And we're gonna thicken up the top, same as the other one. And I'm gonna thicken up this one a little bit more to try to make it match this one a bit. And do that inside oval. And a circle. And inside circle, and color it in all dark. Trying to make them match a bit more, but it's okay if they're not perfect. All right, so now another eyebrow. And color that in dark. All right, now a nose. Do kind of a rounded nose. Like that. And give him a smile. I'm gonna do a little line here. And we can come on down. And another little line there. And we can draw a top lip. And then we've got big smile. And a bottom lip. And come across for a little bit of a toothy smile. And now let's do some hair. So actually, before we start with the hair, let's do a bit of a shape of the face here. So coming on down and coming on up. And I'm gonna put a little line right here and right here for like little dimples. And now let's do a bit of hair. So there's lots and lots of hair. Just kind of like thick pieces. You don't have to make them exactly like how I'm making them. Maybe yours are a little bit longer, maybe shorter, maybe they're like going in different directions. But this character has lots of hair. And I mean, this is only what we can see right now. This character wears a hat, so I assume there's a lot more hair underneath the hat. So we'll do some more. So much hair. some more on this side. And I'm gonna start with the ear, and we can do an earring. It's like a big hoop earring. So it's kind of like a small U and then a great big U. And now we can do some hair in behind the earring. All right, and let's work on the hat. So just a little shape like this, and then coming on up. And then we can see that here on the top of the head. And another little bit of hair right here. Now we can put a line here for the start of the neck, and a line right here for the start of the collar of the outfit. And we can come across and come on down. And then another line right here for the other part of the neck. And we can do a line right here and curve it on down for the other part of the collar. Now we can do a bit of a curve here, and this is going to be the start of the scarf. So bring this line down and this one down, and we can just make some swooshy lines. So it really helps to show the movement of the scarf, the fabric here, instead of having it all just one plain flat piece of fabric. So you can see we got some folds here in the scarf. A line here for a bit of a shoulder, but it's kind of getting cut off our page, but that's okay. And right here, we would do the other shoulder and coming on down a bit. And a line right here, bring that down. And right here, and we're gonna bring that down too. And we're gonna do a oval and another one. And then we're gonna do a rectangle and one right here. It's kind of getting cut off there by the scarf. And then we'll do kind of like another rectangle and another one and another one and another one. Now we're going to do a line. It's kind of underneath these pieces here, and it's coming out further and then coming down this way. And now we're going to do that again, a little line here, and then we're going to come on down right here. Now we can do a zigzag kind of pattern here. Kind of just like triangles. And I'm going to do some strokes going on down that way and some right here. Just the pattern that's on the sleeve. All right, so we're done our sketch, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, goodbye.